Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stopping any running services and freeing ports. Close Xampp, then open Task Manager and kill HTTPD and Mysql if still running. This avoids lock files. Once done, copy htdocs and mysql/data to a backup folder so you can recover databases if needed. Make sure common port users like Skype or IIS are disabled. Freeing port 80 and 3306 prevents immediate shutdowns. Now you're ready to check logs and configuration files for the next step. You'll inspect and fix configuration next. Open HTTPD. Conf to verify listen and server name ports and open ini to confirm port 3306 and dir paths. Mismatches cause crashes. Then read Apache and MySQL error logs to spot missing modules, permission errors, or corrupted in no-db files. If a port conflict exists, change Apache to an unused port, update Xampp control panel settings, and restart. This corrects most shutdowns caused by misconfiguration. You finish by repairing databases and restarting services. Start Mysql from the console to see live errors, then run MySQL upgrade or use Xampp for table repairs. This restores corrupted tables that force shutdowns. Once repaired, run Xampp as administrator and start Apache and MySQL while watching the logs for persistent errors. If it still fails, revert to your backup data folder or change ports as a fallback. Troubleshooting tip. If Apache or MySQL immediately exits, check log timestamps for the exact error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.